As you can see, we can see the past 10,000 years of history, human culture with this data pack. Let me now show you another data pack that will blow your mind. So another data pack that I am going to show you is the time tree. Firstly, I'll show you the time tree and time tree of life. Okay. Oh, again I'm adding that I replaced. Let's see. So it's a big data pack, and this data pack, not a lighter version of this, you can also download from our website. I added the data pack, as you can see. So I should have replaced it. So let me replace the data pack with the time tree. So this is the data pack that you can download, the public one. Okay. So we also have different we have this cross plot options and different other options that I won't show you today. But we have actually the manual in the website that you can download. Let me show you. So this is the manual. Okay, so you go to the tutorial and you can see the tutorial here, and we also have posters that you can see about the time escalator. In the manual you have some details, but what I'm showing today. So I just remembered I can show you another thing. We have this is a Java software that runs throughout different systems, like in different platforms, in Windows or in Macintosh or even in Linux. And we also have a light version of this time scale creator. This is called TSC Lite, as you can see here, and this has nice visual representation. For example, I want to see this will basically create the same image. So I want to see only these green circles that you can see. They can be switched on and off. Green means switch on. That means it will come up. It will show up in the image. And red means it on. For example, Mesozoic reptiles is red. You can switch it on. Planktonic from Jones, it's red. It won't show up. And the gray ones I can change, because in this time range we don't have them. For example, if I increase this time range like 1000, as you will see, now they are not gray anymore. So now I can choose. So what happened is basically we didn't have the data for these condones during 2 million years ago up to 50 million years ago. Okay, so as you can see, from up to 50 million years ago we don't have data for this, so it won't show up. That's also true for our software here. For example, in the settings, when you are choosing, for example, if you go to the columns, it shows no data in time interval. Okay, now because they are all zero, now if I put like 100 million years ago, that will show it no longer shows no data. So it shows you right now. Okay, so it's the same here. So we'll get back to this before I'm showing you how you can use our TSC Lite, the light version in the website. For example, it has a nice visualization if you want to teach your children, teach your son or daughter about this. For example, you want to teach him about the humanoid, or about the ice ages, or you want to teach him about the carbon-13 dating. So you just click on it, make this red circle screen if you want to see that column, and if you want to see the sea level changes or the sequences, sea level curves here, yeah, if you want to see the stable isotopes, then you just choose them, and here we have information about what it means. I mean, what does each of this means. So if you have patience, you can go through it and read it. So now you will just hit the generate chart and wait for the chart to come up. Okay, so it will take a little bit more time. Oh, it came up already, and you can see it's a big one because we have chosen a lot of information. We have given a lot of settings, so you can just make them bigger. As you can see, this is basically the same as the Java software, but it has a lot of limitations that I'm not going to talk. And for example, one limitation is in the Java software, you can see the information just by clicking on it. We still haven't added that in this, and it's basically just an image. So actually we are working on a web version of the time scale creator, and probably because everyone uses smartphones now, so we're thinking about a very interactive website um, for everything that we have in the Java software. As you can see, all the columns have come up: eon, period, epoch, age, stage, geomagnetic polarity, mammal evolutionary tree. This is the thing that I'll show you. So it's the evolution of the mammals, and then we have sloths. There are so many different things you can do with the software. These are all the mammal evolutions. Let me show you. I'll show you firstly the time tree, then I'll show you this evolutionary tree in the software. So this was the time scale creator light version that you can access from anywhere. For example, if when you will use it is that if you don't want to download this software, and you probably, if you are a teacher, or if you want to teach some kids about using this, or like if you want your kid to use it, you just ask him to go to tscreator.org, click on this TSC light, and choose the time range, and choose different things that you can see here. Okay, and just hit the generate chart, and that will show you the chart. Then you can learn so many things. Okay, let's get back. So what we did, we uploaded, we replaced our data pack with the time tree data pack. So what's in the time tree data pack? So first let's choose the time interval. We chosen from 0 up to, from present age up to 100 million years ago. We add the mouse over information. We have other settings that you can play with, and then we go to the choose columns. We choose time tree of life. As you can see, when I haven't talked about it yet, when I click on this, on any of this column name, you can actually titles, you can actually change the title of the name. For example, why you may want to do it, so I haven't said it yet, I wanted to say it later, is that these, every image that you generate, you can actually save it. For example, I want to save this image. Let's generate a chart of the time tree. So it's generating the chart, it will come up. Okay, so as you can see, we have this chart right now. So let me make it a bigger. So actually we'll have to increase the base age to see the tree. So as you can see, this is amoeba, fungi, so we are seeing it up to 100 million years ago. So you can save this image. So I save PDF. Okay, so you will choose the location. For example, I choose my desktop, I choose time tree. Okay, time tree.pdf. Okay, and I save it. and I click OK. Then it's writing PDF. Here it will show every information that's the software is doing currently. So it's writing the PDF to on the desktop. I think yeah, we already have it. Yeah, as you can see, we have our in my desktop. I already have it. So this is the PDF file that we have saved. So this is the time tree. So I was talking about from the settings. For example, this is your own PDF image that you have generated for the time range that you are researching right now. Okay, so here, for example, you could have just changed the title name from here. For example, if for each column you could have given your own title. Okay, so and you could have changed the fonts. Okay, you could have changed the column header, you could have changed the fonts from Arial to Courier. Okay, and you could have changed the age label color, you could have changed the uncertainty label color, ruler label, everything. You could, I mean, you have absolute freedom. Okay, you could have changed everything. Okay, uh, yeah. So we have, oh, there's another feature here, search. This is actually for the people who already know about data pack, what's inside the data, so they can search the data. For example, if I search with fungi, okay, right now we have the time fungi, so it shows all the related data about fungi here. So we have font options also. You can from here, and this is map points that today I won't talk about. This is about the map data pack we have. So if you remember that I have talked about different map data pack, different data pack about regions like New Zealand, Belgium, China. So for those specific data packs where we have regional information, and lots of geological transects, and then probably you will be interested to see this. Okay, let's get back. So let's choose from, actually we'll have to make a little bit bigger because this is the time tree. So let's make it 500 million years ago up to 1000 million years ago, and make the vertical scale very squeezed. So far in the past 10,000 years ago I have made the vertical scale bigger. I scaled it up. I'll scale it down now, 0.02, like only 2%. Okay, and I heat generate, and you will see this will take a little bit time because this is like thousands of million years ago, right? So as you can see, let me choose, this is a little bit distorted right now, not 500, let me choose 0, generate. Okay,